Okay, so I have a really beautiful listing magazine pulled up. Now this is a marketing piece that you might want to use for a very unique or a luxury property. It's a whole magazine about the home. So I'm going to take a look at what this looks like. We've got a cover, letter from the agent, and then a beautiful editorial style version of the magazine itself. And let's say you want to professionally print that. Well, you can. Here's an example of what that magazine looks like printed with Canva. So we have the really nice cover here, and then you can flip through it and see more information about the home. This can really wow sellers. So maybe you want to print something like this. It's very easy. Once you've filled it out in Canva, using the tips that I've shared with you throughout this video, you can come up to the top that says print with Canva. And this is the magazine. And you're going to select the pages. We don't want all the pages because there are some instructions at the beginning. So unclick the instructions. So we're just starting with our cover. There's a couple cover options. So I'm just going to pick one of my covers. And then you can print it. You can choose how many. Of course, the more you print, the cheaper it gets. And then you hit continue and you will go through the checkout phase and you'll be able to print it and send it to yourself. Now, when it comes to printing on Canva, you have different options for things that you can get printed. You can print business cards, you can print bound documents, which is a good affordable option. You can print some of the pop-bys that we have in the marketing suite. Some things like this are a little bit pricier, but other things like business cards, postcards, bound books are very affordable. So they're a great way to get high quality print products and not have to go through the trouble of figuring out a local store to print at or anything like that. So that's how you print within Canva.